Hi, it's Jandy Outry. Today, shrimp Portofino in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Creamy, dreamy shrimp Portofino is a delicious dinner idea. Here's what you'll need: jumbo shrimp, fresh baby spinach, button mushrooms, a shallot and some garlic, lots of butter, wine, lemon juice, heavy cream, and toasted pine nuts. This dish is delicious with angel hair pasta. In a dry skillet, toast the pine nuts until golden brown and set aside. In a skillet, melt some butter, then saute the chopped garlic and shallots. Add some wine and lemon juice, a little salt and white pepper, then more butter, the heavy cream, and cook until thickened. In another skillet, heat a little butter and saute the sliced mushrooms, then add the shrimp and cook until pink. Finally, toss in the spinach and pine nuts. Cook the angel hair pasta for just a few minutes and then bring it all together. The pasta, the shrimp and spinach, and that delicious cream sauce. Shrimp Portofino is an Italian delight for dinner tonight. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.